Hi, for this tutorial we're going to take a look at how to add a favicon to your WordPress blog. A favicon is one of these little symbols up here that you can generate that will brand your website to being yours. You can see we've got here the WordPress one, which is these little squares, but over here we've got one for AVG, which is their own logo. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to generate our own favicon and how to make it so it always pops up in our address bar and in our tabs. The first thing we're going to do is generate a favicon. So go into the search engine that you use and type in favicon generator, which is Favicon generator. And you'll see right down here we have favicon.ico generator, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that site because I've used this one before. You can create a new favicon, you can import an image you already have, you can see the latest favicons, ones that are top rated, you can log in or you can register. I'm just going to go ahead and import my image. I'm going to browse, pull it in. I've already made this in Photoshop, and you can either choose to keep the dimensions or shrink it to a square icon. I'm going to go ahead and click upload because mine's already square and I like it the way it is. Now you can go in here and you can change colors or you can change this slightly, but I like it how it already is made, so I'm going to go down and click on download favicon. I'm going to tell it to save, and it's going to save it to my downloads folder on my hard drive. Now I'm going to go back into my WordPress cPanel. Now I'm going to go back into my WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to go into plugins, and I'm going to click on add new because I want to find a favicon plugin that will pull my favicon in and automatically install it on my WordPress site. So I'm going to type in favicon and click on search plugins. And I'm going to go down to all-in-one favicon. As you can see, this has a very high rating, and this is going to allow me to upload my favicon and put it out as an ICO, PNG file, or a GIF. And I'm going to click on install now. Click OK. Activate my plugin, and then scroll down and go into my settings for all-in-one favicon once it's installed into my plugin file. Now for these settings, it'll allow you to put in your front-end ICO, your front-end PNG, your front-end GIF, your front-end Apple Touch icon, and so on. So find the one that you want to use, and I'm going to put this in under a front-end GIF. I'm going to click Browse. I'm going to go into my download folder and upload my favicon, and then go down and click on Save Changes. You can see that now my favicon has popped up right here next to front-end GIF. If this isn't the one you want to use, you can check the box to delete the favicon and then go down and click on Save Changes. But this is the one I want to use. So let's go into my WordPress page, refresh, and now I've got my own favicon that comes up on my tab and in my address bar. So back in my favicon settings, when I scroll down, it also has tips for different types of favicon questions. It has delete settings, which you can check the box and click this button to delete all of these settings and put them back to the way they were when it was installed. Or you can just go back out into your regular page. So doesn't that look great? That really helps me brand my WordPress blog. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it made it really easy for you to add your own favicon to your site. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you at the next tutorial.